Most people spend years learning English. But after all that effort, they use it only for movies, music, or social media. Meanwhile, someone else with the same language level is making extra money from it. Why? Because knowing English is not enough. The real question is, can you turn that skill into income? And that changes everything. Today, English is not just a language skill anymore. It can become a second income source. Access to international clients, online work opportunities, and even financial security. But most people never use it that way. In this video, I'll show you real ways English can increase your income, from interpretation and freelancing to online work and higher paying opportunities. And most importantly, how to stop treating English like a school subject and start using it like an economic skill. Intro. A lot of people think English is useful only for becoming a teacher, passing exams, or moving abroad. But today, English has become something much bigger. It is an economic advantage. In many situations, the difference between two people is not intelligence. It's access. And English gives access. Access to international information, global markets, foreign clients, remote jobs, and higher paying opportunities. The problem is this: many people learn English passively. But income comes only when you use the language actively. 1. Interpretation. One of the fastest ways to monetize English. One of the most realistic ways to make money with English is interpretation. And many people underestimate this, because they imagine huge conferences and professional stages. But real life is different. Many interpretation jobs are actually small business meetings, helping tourists, online meetings, communication with foreign guests. And because many of these jobs are short-term, they work perfectly as side income. You can do them after work, on weekends, or during free time. Why this works well? You don't need a big investment, expensive equipment, or a new degree. Your main asset is already in your head, your language skill. 2. Freelancing and online income. English also gives you something extremely important: access to the international market. And this changes your earning potential completely. Because local opportunities are often limited. But online, you are no longer limited to your city or country. Real examples. With English, you can do translation, article writing, virtual assistant work, customer support, online teaching, content creation, and many of these jobs can be done remotely. Key idea: English is not only a skill, it is a bridge to larger markets and more opportunities. 3. Higher salary opportunities. Sometimes English increases your income without any side hustle at all, simply because companies value it. Imagine two employees with similar experience and education, but one of them speaks English. Who will usually get better projects, foreign clients, promotions, and higher paying opportunities? Most of the time, the English speaker. Why? Because they can communicate internationally, access more information, solve more problems for the company. And in the job market, more value usually means more money. 4. Social media and content creation. This is another growing opportunity. Many people today use English to create content online. For example, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogs. Why English helps here? Because English gives you access to international trends, global research, larger audiences, and better information sources. Sometimes two creators made videos about the exact same topic. But the person who knows English often creates stronger content, because their information sources are wider. Hidden advantage. English can improve not only your income, but also the quality of your ideas. 5. Why most people never monetize English. This is the biggest problem. Many people treat English like a school subject, not like a financial tool. Common mistakes. Staying passive, waiting for perfect conditions, never promoting themselves, never searching for clients, relying only on certificates. The reality. Money doesn't come simply because you know English. Money comes when you use English to solve real problems. That is the difference. 6. How to start practically. If you want to start using English to increase your income, don't overcomplicate it. Start small. Simple steps. Tell people what you do. Improve communication skills. Create an online profile. Join freelancer communities. Practice speaking actively. Look for small opportunities first. Important principle. Your first goal is not huge income. Your first goal is building experience and visibility. Income grows later. Conclusion. If you know English, you already have a valuable asset. But an asset only creates value when it is used strategically. English can help you earn side income, work online, find international clients, increase your salary, and reduce financial dependence on one income source. But you must stop seeing English as only a language. Start seeing it as an economic opportunity. Engagement. What do you think is the best way to make money with English? Interpretation? Freelancing? Online content? Higher paying jobs? Write your answer in the comments. If you want more practical videos about income growth, freelancing, money psychology, and realistic financial strategies, subscribe to the channel.